Ugh, another long day. I just want to be still for once. You're not helping. But maybe you are.
Haha, look at you. You're so silly. It's just simple.
I used to snap at everything. Now, nothing phases me. It started with one thing, just breathing. In, out. At work, I didn't yell. At home, I didn't argue. Healing starts small.
It's quiet tonight. But I'm not sad. I remember what it taught me. Nothing lasts forever. And that's okay.
I used to rush past people like they didn't matter. Now I notice them. I hear more than just noise. The cat's gone, but something stayed. Maybe that's how we grow, when we stop running from the quiet.
It's funny how one small act can ripple through someone's whole day. I remember the first time she came to my door and just sat there, like she knew what I needed. Kindness isn't loud, it's quiet, it stays, and it lives on.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Viralix. Hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments. Your support helps us create more amazing stories. Viralix.
It's just another morning. But I'm not the same person anymore. The noise, it used to drown me out. Now, I hear it. And I choose to let it go. Life goes on. And so do I.
It's just a cat, but it's not just that. I used to rush through every moment. Now I see. Stillness has its own voice. This quiet is teaching me, and I'm finally listening.